Hello, my name is George. I'm 37 years old and I've got a learning disability. My birthday is 2nd of May, just like David Beckham. I've got an England shirt with number 7 on it, just like David. I love football. I live in a supported living scheme. It's nice. The staff are good to me. They understand people with learning disabilities. I need some help with some things, but I like going out on my own to do the things I like to do. I like to watch my local football team on a Saturday. I always sit with Bob and Jack. I also like to go for a walk and look around the shops. On Monday, I go to college and I'm learning how to cook. Last week, we made beans on toast. On Thursday, I go to college. I do singing with a choir. It's fun, even when we get the words mixed up. Before I got my GPS tracker, I couldn't go out much. I often missed the game on Saturday. I had a travel buddy who went with me to college, but I didn't like people seeing me walking around with him. I mean, I'm not a kid. But now, with my GPS tracker, things have changed. I can wear it outside or inside my coat. I used to get scared about going out on my own in case I needed help, or I went somewhere I didn't know well and couldn't remember my way home. Since having my tracker, I don't worry as much when I go out. There is a button on my tracker that I can press if I need help, and my tracker will tell the staff, and they can call me back, so I can hear a friendly voice, which helps me feel better if I'm nervous. The staff said they used to worry about me sometimes, especially if I was out later than usual or if they didn't know where I was and if I was okay. But now, they can use my tracker to check where I am. If they think I need help, they can use the tracker to contact me or tell someone to come and find me. I love my GPS tracker. It helps me do the things I love. If you'd like to get out more, maybe you should get one too.